Alright, so we got another video today, and today I'm going to be sharing the full exhaust that the Charger has. Currently, it just has a mid-muffler delete and a resonator delete, or a rear muffler delete, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a resonator. So it's basically straight pipe. It still has factory cats though. That's the next move once I get headers, or maybe some down pipes, something like that. So next, I'm just going to post some clips, some cold start clips, and some POVs, exhaust POVs in the rear of the car. So if you guys are considering doing like a muffler delete, mid muffler delete, and the resonator delete on your Charger, well, so you guys can hear how it sounds. It sounds pretty good. It sounds loud at high RPMs, honestly. Once it's in track mode, if you guys have the SRT, when it's in track mode and the valve's open, it sounds way louder than the normal default mode. Alright guys, so I'm putting the clips right here, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the video, do me a favor and go give it a thumbs up and subscribe.